So here we are, trying to get her to be quiet.
Yeah, I guess Bobo gotta get out.
Mommy working hard.
Or am I hardly working?
I thought you had a special technique for this.
Yep, ready? We're gonna pump the gas and pump the gas and pump the gas and pump the gas and pump the gas. Yeah, she's got it in her.
Just like that, like magic.
So we pumped it, now we gotta force it out. Can we force it out?
Emily! Hi, Emily.
Can you give her kisses? No, I don't want my mommy. She's gonna fart in your face. She's gonna fart in your face.
The epic battle continues between the baby and Emily.
Good thing we didn't get her scooting her butt on the mat a minute ago.
I'm just stressed. You need a break.
Okay.
Yeah, we're done.